is a fire inside all of us, encouraging whispers to be the best we can be. For some, this fire dies out with time, allowing for a life undistinguished from the rest. For Wanaka, this fire is fueled daily by the desire to create our future. There is something noble in reaching for the stars. If we only did what was expected of us, would we not stand dead in the water? It's the ones that hurtle beyond the medium, following ideas and chasing their dreams, that shape the world. But to do so is not to take the easy path. Complications are imminent, traversing through obstacles that can feel unsurmountable. Fear not, dear adventurer, for there is an ally at your side. Technology has always been knocking at the door of what we know is possible. Utilizing and harnessing vast networks of information is the greatest tool we have in this modern age, connecting us with a boundless demographic of thinkers and doers. No longer are the movers and shakers housed in high-rises. The gates have been opened to communities of inventing and learning, excitement, experience and security. A culture where everybody makes a difference and helps in the pursuit of excellence. Plugging Wanaka into the world outside encourages lasting and meaningful change through economic, entrepreneurial and social outlets. Instead of allowing for that flame to die, it is instead fueled by a world outside. The future is brightest for those that stoke the fire.